Or more of it today.
Well, you're on the bench this time. You can have some comms.
I'll get involved as well.
Get involved. I remember asking Darren about it a couple of weeks ago and he said, do I have to be on co-comms? I went, no, you're right. Oh my god. The second someone does that, I just want to go straight through their ankles.
It seems a lot different from last time.
Yeah. I don't recognise them at all. Oh. Play on. Back.
Okay.
Huh?
Alfie has a good boot.
Alfie's brother's nicked his boots. Oh. Ready, Sam? That's all out. It's good positioning from Alfie though, being right in the box for that.
He does get in the positions.
He is good at getting.
He probably is our best striker.
I can still remember 1p period 5 or double period. He was up top and the ball came across him 3 times in the centre of the box and he scuffed it.
Alfie's the only one actually can play up front.
Alfie's just the best at holding the ball up. He gets in the position, holds up, doesn't he? Gone through him, past him. That's all right, leave it. It's yours? Long draft? Problem for Alfie's going to be, because he's not in boots, it's going to be a lot more difficult to stop when he starts running. Good save. Oh. Well, I'm not having any of that. 3 minutes in, George, what do you think?
Quite even actually.
We've had a shot at least. Had a couple of opportunities. Ugh.
Go on, Alfie.
Go on, Alfie, make it yours. No. I didn't realise how far off the pitch I was ending up. Oh, one in. How much do you listen to Sam when you're on the pitch, George?
Well, last week.
Yeah.
Well, last week, no one said a word. So. That was a shocker last week.
I still can't believe the communication when the ball was coming down in the air and Sam just went, ugh.
I wasn't listening to anyone. But I should have had it on there. Just shocking defending.
Oh. Bloody hell. The ref makes Cam look tall, doesn't he? Oh, Cam.
They don't look like they're going to do it back.
Are you running up and down the sideline in 5 minutes, George?
To be fair. I just...
Come on.
Originally I'm coming off for Alpha, but anyone.
Probably come on for Kean. I don't think Kean came off last week. He was the only person.
I feel like one of the defenders has to stay on the whole time.
Oh yeah.
So maybe this will be Owen, but Owen was up the left wing constantly last week.
Well, he scored the hat-trick, didn't he? I know one was a penalty, one was a bit scuffed, but hat-trick.
Good ball.
It's it. You're well in. Breaks his of like a 4-match streak now. I thought he was passing it across the goal. I just saw it go into the bottom left. I was all right. Not complaining.
Keeper's nowhere.
0-0 start again. Oh, unlucky. Oh. I thought it hit this. I thought it this crossbar. I was like, oh, that's right then.
You getting ready?
Well done, Alfie.
Why's Alfie got his cap?
Who was the striker who used to wear a cap up top? Oh no, it was a goalkeeper, wasn't it?
I don't know.
It was like a normal, but was it Butland or Pickford or someone used to wear a cap? I can't remember who it was now.
They can pass it right, they can't shoot.
Don't say that, they'll score.
It's so fun, it's just not the positions.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna work as an elder?
Can hear the contact of leather boots on leather boots. Just that little simple deft play off from Alfie.
Oh, finish.
Well in! Alfie assist. Alfie got the assist to Josh, I think that was. Owen, could you chuck me up my coat, please? Well, fine, I see how it is.
Where's your coat?
Just under that grey jacket. It's just under the grey, the other one, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, George. Sam shouldn't have time to be complaining about me not recording this. Mad. Unlucky. I wasn't going to wear the coat and then started chucking it down. It's it! Oh. Unlucky. Hope Sam's phone's waterproof. Unlucky, Alfie. Oof, good reaction. Play on. Well in. Oh. Flowing. Or kicking. Oh, lucky. Got two at the back. Oh, that's some football, yeah. Winners! Go on, George.
Yeah. Take a breather.
13 minutes, you're good.
I'm fucking knackered.
To be fair, it's wet, it doesn't help. Not to sound like Ty or anything. Ah, shit.
Safe, Sam.
Good hands. Oh. I think that was a Sam mistake. I think that was a Sam mistake. That happens. Phew. How you finding it against them, alright?
It's fine.
It's fine?
Bit wet for you lot though, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Jesus. Pouring down.
It was fine about 5 minutes ago, and then it really started chucking it down.
I know, I do it. It's sunny.
Phew.
How long's got?
Hmm?
How long's got?
15. Roughly.
score?
I was going to say 2-1 to us. Is it 3-1 to us?
I think it's 2-1.
I think it's 2-1. I've only just scored. Cam scored and you scored at the start, yeah. I thought Cam was passing it across and I saw it go in the bottom corner. It was a good finish. Turning out my hands are so wet from the rain I can't zoom in and out of it. Trying to press the 2x zoom but it's just not having it.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, lucky.
Oh.
I don't want it.
Good, Cam. Jesus, I think.
Lucky there was a gap there. Do you know to figure out what ball it is? It's like a mitre or anything, or just...
Keep it. Don't. Yeah, good, Sam. Good, Sammy.
Well in. Gonna have to close him down?
Come on now.
Oh. Good pressure. Oh. Good save.
Didn't want to come on anyway.
Been off about 5 minutes-ish, 6 or 7. Oh man. What do you think you'll come on for? Just anyone. Oh. Oh.
Go on, Georgie.
Good save. Be a case for Sam man of the match at the moment. Some of the saves he pulled off. Especially with his legs. Go on, Alfie, make it yours. Go on, Alfie. Unlucky.
Anyone? Oh, no, I'm not bothered.
Oh. Well then, Alfie. Owen on your shoulder.
Go on, George.
Good bit of play, Cam. That's exactly what just tripped when he came off. You're doing a good shift though. Keep you at the back.
Hero. Good ball, Alfie. George, you're going to have to sit deeper a little bit. See, George, that's why you're needed there. Well done, Kean.
How long are the games again, Cam?
How long has that been going on for?
24.
Got like 12 minutes left.
It's not too bad. We've only got a 1 goal advantage though, so we've got to
Yeah, I know.
get a second, we get a third, we good.
Well done,
Owen!
Keep up, George. Owen, you give me.
Oh. That's alright.
What's the score?
2-2.
I scored 1, George scored 1, and then they scored 2.
To be fair, I wouldn't mind coming down about that last goal there. That was good football, they just played around.
For who?
Oh. No, good luck, Cam.
Got about 2 minutes off, come on.
Not bad. Little rest.
To be fair, sometimes that's all I need.
Just catch your breath again, because you are constantly up and down. You don't get a break.
I'm not built for midfield. Too much of a belly on me.
Got the strength for the back though.
They're playing it around us.
Sam has had to make a lot of saves today. Same with Josh, probably man of the match at the moment, Sam.
Yeah, I'll say give it to Sam.
That's what I mean, yeah. Oh, got a bit drawn in there.
In the middle. Turn out. Not coming. Right up.
Ah. Bit weak that foul, isn't it?
Huh?
A bit weak that foul.
Oh no.
I mean, it's wet. You can't stop your momentum when you start running. But doing good, huh? Doing good, Kim?
They're a good team to be fair to them.
Yeah. They were saying Sam's had a lot of responsibility at the back with saves. This was me in the net, we'd be about 8-2 down.
Yeah, but no one's tracking their runners in the back.
Yeah. To be fair, they keep overloading you as well, which then out. But that last goal they scored was just good football. They just, yeah. Oh, simple, Alfie, simple. Go on, George, it's yours. Well in. Very nice picked up now, eh? Play on, play it. Oh.
Can you get it? It's all left foot, yeah?
Can't be that near for a fucking corner. Line on 9. Unlucky. Man.
Good, Owen. Alfie, next time. Now.
Play well, Alfie.
Yeah.
How you think? It's been alright, not bad?
Sam, you.
Sam's been great, hasn't he? Man of the match?
Yeah.
Yeah. You had some good playoffs though, up the top.
Yeah.
Put it off nicely. Unlucky it's on the flick's not falling your way because of just the weather and it just doesn't roll the way you'd want it. It's
So wet.
the way I saw the ball roll across the ground a second ago, it
It does make a
was
difference.
swampy.
It does make a difference. It's weird.
Turn it, done. Oh man. Well, I don't really think that was a foul a minute ago though. When Josh scored, no. When Josh opened scored, no. I know they blew the whistle, but still, just didn't feel like much of a foul. Just out of strength and it's wet. He fell over. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they've been shoving you in the back all the time.
Probably haven't got any handprints on your back. Well done, George.
Get rid of it, George.
Well done, kid.
Well done, Josh.
Lucky, Josh. Unlucky.
Yeah, it was a good bit of play. Oh.
Oh, you put it on the fucking wet floor in the rain. Oh no, I took it off here. No, I took it away from that.
Sorry, Alf, I didn't get any slow-mo shots.
I'm in the way of the camera, no?
No, not at all, not at all.
Oh.
Anyone could win this set then.
To be fair, I probably should play him in the middle. Oh, ball kick. No, we could play like
3-1-1 in it, Alfie. Technically.
3 at the back, 1 in the middle.
Well done, Sam. Oh.
He's man of the match.
Oh, easily.
This is not lose for these guys.
Oh.
3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's 32 gone now.
32 gone.
Yeah.
So how long are the games again?
36.
Run it, boys. Huh?
Good save.
Yeah. I mean, we haven't lost in 7 games.
Still undefeated as it stands though with a draw.
2 all last, no, 3 all last week. Sam's having a fucking time. No, we drew 3 all. Yeah. Go on, Keith. Oh, unlucky. Go again, boys.
You got about 2-3 minutes.
Legs, boys.
Well in, Cam. Oh, scooped it.
Unlucky, Kieran.
Good effort.
Go again.
Well in, hustle him.
Go to him, Sam.
Well in, 9.
Oh, thank you, ref.
Well done, 9. It's alright.
Ref, 2 yards.
Finish! Oh.
Unlucky.
Oh. Well in, Sam.
Done, Sam.
Man on.
Yes, Sam.
Go on, Keane, it's yours.
Unlucky.
It's alright, Cam, 2 yards. Go on, Cam.
Oh, unlucky.
Well done, well done.
Unlucky, Keith. Go on, keep going.
Keep the pressure.
Well done, Josh. 1 more.
That's fair. No.
8 on the bounce.
That's good though. Especially against the team above us.